Hello, good morning, traders. Today is the 15th of March, 2023. What a blessing day, guys. We had amazing trades on all the yen. Beautiful. Long trade this morning and now short. If you look at my previous analysis, as you have seen my previous, we were long. We have this pullback and bank amazing profit. Once the price hit to the profit target, we were looking at the price action here. And if you look at the price action, pretty straightforward. You can see here this candlestick pattern give you pretty standard rejection. And as I explained to my trader, if the price gonna break this level, then look for short here, breakout short trade here. So that's what we based on the previous candle pattern. And let me explain to you. As you can see here, after banking some profit long, so we were looking at counter. I say, guys, if the price gonna break, because we have a rejection here in 4 hours, so post more likely we expecting a counter short trade here. So based on this analysis, you can see here price nicely broken. Beautiful, because we were watching in 4 hours. Just keep in mind, guys. So we had this beautiful breakout, and after this breakout, as explained by trader, just keep taking a pullback here. Even price, as soon as the price hit to the first target, which is explained by trader around this level, around the 100 EMA on 4 hour, that's the first target. Price nicely hit. As soon as the profit target hit, first profit target, that's what I explained my traders time to enjoy some profit, or at least move your stop loss at the break even. So you can see, guys, how we enjoying pipping, and you can enjoy those pipping as well if you watch all this analysis in real time. So most welcome, join our fast growing trader community. Have a safe trading and wish you all the best.